Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. For those having challenge verifying your KYC 1 and KYC 2, this video will be showing us the process on how to get it verified. Okay, first off, we need to download the gate.io app because the verification will be done on the app. So if you do not have the app, download it from the Play Store or the App Store depending on your device. Once the app is downloaded, log in, and or if you do not have login details, sign up to the exchange. Then you tap on this user icon at the top left. Okay, then you tap on security center. Okay, then you tap on identity verification. Alright, so if you've not done your KYC 1, you tap on the KYC 1 basic verification, verify now, and then you'll be asked to impute in your details. Okay, so KYC 1 is important because you need to impute your real personal details, your name, your first name, your last name, for your country, and then the number on your ID card. Okay, everything needs to be correct because when you're doing your KYC 2 verification, the details you submitted in your KYC 1 will be checked alongside what you're submitting with the KYC 2. If it doesn't tally, then the KYC will fail. Okay, so for tutorial purpose, when I was registering my KYC 1, I used SMC DAO as first name and last name. So now that I'm required to in KYC 2, for KYC 2, you know what, let's tap on this question mark at the top right here. Okay, so it will tell us how to give us the guideline on how to do the KYC registration, because when doing the KYC, we ask to snap ID card. Okay, so because I do not have an ID card that has SMC DAO on it, and there's obviously no image for SMC DAO, right? Like no real human image, then it will not be verified. That's why I have a KYC. My KYC has failed. Okay, so you would see here that you'll be asked to, step 1, you're asked to log into your gate.io app, then tap on the user icon, we've done that, then tap on security center, we've done that, then tap on identity verification, personal, to enter identity authentication page. Okay, so we've done all of this, right? Identity authentication, okay, great. Personal, okay, then KYC 1. Okay, now you see you're asked to input your nationality, your name, impute your real names. If you're asked for date of birth, you impute that as well. Then the ID card you want to use. Okay, so you can either use your national ID card, like this is a government approved ID card, or your PVC, or you can use your driver's license, or you can use your passport. Okay, and then you impute the number. In KYC 1, you're not asked to submit or snap pictures. Okay, you're not asked to snap the picture of the ID card, so you just impute the number and you submit. Now for the KYC 2, once your KYC 1 verification is approved, you can now click on verify now to continue to KYC 2. Alright, so for the KYC 2, here you'll be required to fill in details. If you're required to still fill in your country of residence, city, and all that, fill in those details. Then you're required to, for your ID card, you impute the one that you have. Then you'll be required to snap your ID card. So you need to take the picture of the ID card clearly. It needs to be really clear, okay? Do not let it be blur, let it be clear. Every detail on the ID card needs to be clear, the front and the back. Alright, so once you snap, you submit, and then you need to take a headshot photo of yourself, right? In a clear environment. And you need it to be real time. Do not say you want to take a picture from a gallery where you're giving some poses, side view, and all that. No, it needs to be a headshot, like a passport photograph. Alright, it needs to be a clear headshot, and you don't wear hats, you don't wear glasses, do not use filters, and keep the light up. Don't also use masks. Don't wear a mask. Just a picture of yourself, headshot image, and it needs to be clear. And once you do all of this, you start verification. Alright, and then you submit. Okay, so you should get verified if you've done all this correctly. Alright, okay, so this is the process on how to do your KYC 1 and KYC 2 verification. And once you're done with all the verification, your profile should look like this: KYC 1 verified and KYC 2 verified. Alright, so if you have an issue or if the recognition fails, okay, you can always choose to submit all the images by the PC end. Okay, or probably you could just tap on your browser using and say view as desktop and just submit it through a PC end, or you go to your PC and submit if it's failing to verify by the mobile app. Alright, so once you do this, I guarantee that your KYC2 will be approved. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. I hope this video has been helpful. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on that notification bell for more videos like this. See you in our next video.